Hello everyone, I'm Laura Kepley, Artistic Director of Cleveland Playhouse. I hope you and your families are well. I'm here today, 2.5 months into this crisis, to talk to you about our current state of operations at CPH as we deal with the uncertainty brought on by the global pandemic. I'll share what we know, what we don't know, and where we are with making our decisions about next season. Many of the questions that we asked ourselves during the first week of this crisis are questions to which we still do not have the answers. And of course, each day of this crisis brings even more questions. With so much uncertainty, planning is difficult, to say the least. Fortunately, we've had meaningful input and guidance from many people and organizations. Here's what we know. We are in this together, but are affected differently based on our age, race, access, and privileges. We know that CPH must be a provider of critical educational services and artistic inspiration during this crisis, and a site of healing afterwards. We know that Cleveland Playhouse is a 104-year-old organization that has faced adversity in the past and has persevered with grit, determination, and remarkable community support. We know that to get through this, it will take the help, goodwill, and partnership of all of you. It will take us working together and perhaps participating in ways we haven't before. It will take creativity, imagination, and boldness. It will be hard, but we will endeavor to keep hope, compassion, and joy alive as we move forward together. We know that planning takes time. Things are moving both very quickly and very slowly. Scenarios that seem like terrific plans one week are rendered moot the next. Uncertainty is hard, but making the right decisions is better than making fast decisions. We know that we're asking a lot of you. We're asking you to be patient as we make our plans for the 2020-21 season. Thank you. We are so grateful for your trust and loyalty. So here's what we still don't know. We still don't know when it will be safe to return. We still don't know when the ban on public mass gatherings will be lifted. But we know that this will be the last of the restrictions lifted. We know that a ban might be lifted and then reinstated based on new numbers of cases or on people's behavior, such as whether or not they're wearing masks in public or socially distancing. Most importantly, before we can return to any in-person performances, we must be able to reliably create the conditions to ensure the safety of our artists, staff, and audiences. Science, our local healthcare advisors, union protocols, and industry specialists are informing us as we make these determinations, as are compassion and common sense. We will continue to listen to our healthcare and governmental partners as we make our plans, balancing hope with safe, realistic, and reasonable expectations. We will continue to update you as our plans take root. Look for another update in July when we'll know more. Again, thank you for your patience. No matter when we can be together again in person, we will continue to keep the flame of CPH lit and invite you to gather around it virtually and bask in the glow of our shared connection. To that end, we hope you've been enjoying our CPH e-newsletter and the many free online programs and videos that we've created. I hope you'll join me every Thursday at 7 p.m. for Live with Laura as I interview some of your favorite CPH artists. And look for an announcement coming soon about a very fun virtual event we will be throwing. Thank you all so much. Stay safe, stay well, and stay tuned for more from Cleveland Playhouse.